Glove Bricks is for mature audiences only. Viewer discretion is encouraged.
Black glove bricks. Black glove bricks. Snap it on, take it off. 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 Black glove bricks.
Snap it on, take it off. Let's go!
Greetings, AHOL. Over here at blackglovebricks, we're finally getting around to building some of the LEGO sets that have been sitting around our offices for ages. Today, we're taking a look at LEGO Ideas set number 40487, Sailboat Adventure. This was a free gift with purchase when you spent $200 in-store or online at lego.com between August 1st and August 29th of 2021. But there was no way in the world I was going to build this boat without you, AHOL. So go on and tune out, get comfy cozy, and enjoy another Black Glove Bricks Speed Build Plus. We'll meet up on the other side for my final thoughts and some parting words of wisdom. Sailboat Adventure was a fun but finicky build. My only real complaint was how fragile it was in some areas. You could feel how delicate certain connections were, and the boat fell apart a few times during construction. Other than that, I love it. It's charming, fun, and you get some great printed tiles. Not being a fan of fabric Lego elements, the brick-built sails were a huge plus, and the new dolphin molds are exceptional. In fact, they're the highlight of the set for me. Their features are far less cartoonish than those of the dolphins found in LEGO Friends sets, and the coloring is more realistic, so they're much more in line with other modern LEGO sea creatures like the stingray or these hungry sharks. But what do you think, AHOL? Did you get this gift with purchase? How was your experience with it? Have you ever had a real-life sailboat adventure? Let's chat about it in the comments. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Ring the dang bell, you ding-dong. And we'll see you again real soon.